In this video, we're going to be talking about coupons, right? Some people are eligible for coupons depending on your account health actually in Seller Central. I believe that you can actually request access to coupons if you don't have it currently via seller support. And if not, then they'll tell you what the requirements are for your specific account and category. It actually is different for different categories that people sell in, but most people are going to have access to coupons, and this is going to be talking about how to actually use them. So I want you guys to do something for me. Just look at all these products as I'm scrolling and which one starts to stand out to you, right? Like one of them obviously stands out to me, right? This orange, because Amazon specifically keeps everything white and clean in the background, but I see this save 20% with a coupon, and you know that everyone wants a good deal. So I'm literally gonna look at this because it stands out. There's nothing else that's orange. It's all white. It's all the same. You get kind of blind to it. But then it pops out, right? The save 20%. So let's click on this. And so then what we can see is once we get into this listing and it loads eventually, extra 20% off with coupons. So you can click this 20% extra savings coupon applied to your first order only, right? People love a good deal. It sticks out. Coupons work extremely well. Let's say that I wanted to sell a product for $20, right? I could either sell it for $20 or I could sell it for $25 with a $5 off coupon. And which one do you think is going to convert better? Seriously, right? Because I mean, I've tested this a lot. And to get to coupons, all you do is go to advertising coupons here. And what we're going to do is we are going to go to create your first coupon. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually show you guys exactly how coupons work and how to set them up for your own product, because Amazon makes it a little bit counterintuitive setting these up. And so we're going to explain exactly how to do this and how to do the math for your specific product once this eventually loads. All right, now that I'm a year older and that actually loaded, we're going to put in an ASIN here and press go, right? We're going to add to coupon. Continue to next step. And you can do different ways of doing this. If it's less than $100, what I've found is that money off works pretty well up until about 50, and then percentage off works better from 50 to 100, and then above 100. Right? So if it's like a $20 product, I'd rather have $5 off than 25% off. Just personally, you can split test that to see what actually works better for you. But we're going to do money off. But we're going to assume that our product is, $20. We're going to do a $5 off coupon. You want to limit the redemption of your coupons to one per customer. I'm going to allow my coupon to be redeemed multiple times by the same customer, because we're going to obviously price this in, so that so that you are making money on every sale. Even if a customer used it 100 times, you'd still have a healthy profit margin, right? And so how this works, guys, is the coupon budgets are not hard limits, right? Coupon budgets are for planning purposes only, and budget overshooting should be expected. What this means, right, is you're paying 60 cents every time somebody uses a coupon. So obviously the biggest winner all the time, but obviously with coupons as well, is Jeff Bezos. But, other than Lord Bezos, we can actually do this pretty profitably as well. So how this actually works, guys, is how they calculate things is a little bit funky, but it actually makes a lot of sense. So let's say that you have a $25 product, right? And you're giving a $4 coupon. So let's just do this, and we'll pretend that our product's $25, just so the math kind of adds up. And this is their example. So how this works is you get charged. Let's say you're giving away 50, or you want 50 customers to redeem the coupon. How you actually set your budget is as follows. So if your money off is $4, your product is $25, right? How you set your budget would be as follows. So 50 people claim it, $4 for the coupon off times 50 is 200. Plus, they charge you 60 cents to administer each coupon, which is ridiculous, but it's just, what Lord Bezos decided. 60 cents times those same 50 products is $30. 200 plus 30 is $230. Your budget will be depleted by $230 the following day as a result of the customer interest in your coupon. We will take your coupon offline since your budget is 80% utilized. right? And if you're thinking to yourself, what the heck, I'm getting charged $200 just to have a coupon? The reason for that is because Amazon will actually charge, the $25 for it, and then they'll minus out the money off, right? So like the $4 times 50, they'll subtract out of the 25 times 50, right? And so they're basically just in the end of the day, instead of charging them 25, they're charging them 21, and they take the $200 out of that difference. And so if we wanted to set a budget, right, how we're going to set a budget is basically we want to do it by the number of products that they sell a day. So let's say that our product sells 10 per day, right? Then what we would do is if we want to run a coupon for 7 days and it sells 10 per day, we're going to assume that people are going to all take advantage of the coupon. And so we're going to multiply these by 70. Right, so then this all of a sudden becomes, $280. This all of a sudden becomes, what would that be? $42. And so now all of a sudden we're at $322. $322. Oh, $322. Right there. Man, I'm making a lot of mistakes here. $322. There we go. $322 as our budget, right? So we would set this up as $322 if we wanted to run a coupon for 7 days, and we assume that we're going to sell 10 per day. But, what you'll find is that coupons sometimes will actually make your daily sales much higher, right? And if you find that, then you can, next time you actually create a coupon, you can basically set it forever. Or you can set it for like 2 weeks or a month or whatever, and you'll start to notice that if you were selling 10 per day, then once you turn the coupon on, all of a sudden you're selling 20 per day. So you need to like redo this calculation, and instead of multiplying it by 7, you do it by 14 or something like that. And so obviously, if you guys are confused, they have like learn more sections here where they talk about things. And also how do budgets work. They'll give you the same little example that I used. I just wanted to use Amazon's example because, it's straight from the horse's mouth is a little bit easier. And as always, guys, if you have any questions about coupons, Amazon seller support is sometimes they're idiots, but sometimes they're actually really helpful. So that, guys, is how you use coupons. The reason that I suggested it is because it's really just eye-catching. Everyone loves a coupon. Everyone loves a discount. Everyone feels like they're getting a good deal. And a lot of times people will choose your product over other products, especially even when you're getting started, if you have that orange that attracts the eye and it seems like a good deal. So coupons work really well, guys. That is how you do it. And if you don't have it in your account, reach out to seller support, ask what's up. Sometimes they don't allow certain product categories to have it, or new sellers that don't have, a certain level of seller account help. I know that I provided you value, so what I want you to do is to like this video. I want you to leave a comment on this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe, turn on notification bells so that you will be the first person to be notified every time we drop a brand new video. If you want to learn more, I do have a completely free course, and there will be a link down underneath this description, guys. Completely for free, 100%. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and let's get to the next.